Hi, I'm Louis Epstein. I'm one half of the songwriting duo and band Louis and Dan and the Invisible Band.
I'm Daniel Grohl. I'm the other half of Louis and Dan, the Invisible Band.
I'm one of the composers of the musical, The Odyssey, the musical.
We thought, well, wouldn't it be fun to actually do the premiere, the very first performance at Boston College with Boston College students.
My involvement here is really through Anna Wittstruck. She and I started working together a little bit to think about ways to involve Messina college students in the larger sort of arts scene at BC and bringing a little bit of music into that campus and into their lives. People have been really welcoming.
Deep down, I've always wanted to do something similar to this and never really had the chance.
They are taking away so many new ideas, so many new ways of doing things. They are really writing the show with us, and we could not be more grateful.
It's so valuable to us to have this workshop opportunity to see it on stage, to figure out what works, what doesn't work, and to get feedback from both the performers and the audience that's going to see it.
Mercy Circle was fantastic. Oh my God.
My favorite songs are Coming Home and Penelope's Weave.
I really like the Weaving song because it kind of like brought you into Penelope's character.
It's very rare to be able to be a part of a workshopping musical. To be able to work with composers is a great thing for me to be able to do and to learn from them.
Working with the composers, working with the music director to make it your own because it's like the first time it's ever been done.
It's been fun to see their creative process as they're staging all of us and everything.
We had to marry kind of what was in my head with what they would like it to sound like.
You can just go.
It got exponentially better every time we came together.
So many people contribute to this working at all. Like the writing of the songs is just one element. It's really like a massive team that makes something like this happen.
Music performance lives in so many different places at Boston College. It's not like this is living in one place. It's the bands program, student affairs, theater, African diaspora studies, music department, Messina College.
It's gotten to be really exciting kind of as the process has progressed, seeing everyone come together from BCSO and Chorale and Messina College as well.
I've made some good friends, I would say.
Finding opportunities to connect students with each other and with great world-class guest artists. This is what I love about being a musician in academia.
This is the Odyssey. It's a playful epic story of some sailors and the lengths to which they go. This is the Odyssey.